Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. Artificial intelligence is no longer a future threat. It's already reshaping the American workforce, especially white-collar jobs. Unlike factory automation, which was loud and visible, AI-driven job replacement is happening quietly, inside offices, software systems, and dashboards. There are no dramatic announcements, no mass protests yet, just fewer job openings, smaller teams, and productivity tools that do the work of multiple employees. The biggest misconception is that AI is only affecting low-skill roles. In reality, many high-paying, degree-based jobs are being reduced or fundamentally changed. One of the first roles to feel the impact is data entry and administrative support. Tasks like scheduling, document processing, invoice handling, and report generation are now handled by AI-powered systems. Companies that once needed large admin teams now rely on a few employees overseeing automated workflows. In many U.S. corporations, these positions are not being officially eliminated. They're simply not being rehired when people leave. Customer support and call center roles have also seen major disruption. AI chatbots and voice assistants can now handle billing issues, troubleshooting, refunds, and FAQs with near-human accuracy. Large American companies in telecom, banking, and e-commerce have quietly reduced support teams by 20 to 40% using AI as the first point of contact. Humans are only brought in for complex or emotional cases. Another major shift is happening in marketing and content-related jobs. Copywriters, social media managers, SEO specialists, and email marketers are increasingly competing with AI tools that can generate ads, captions, blogs, and campaign strategies in seconds. Many U.S. startups now employ one AI marketing manager instead of a team of 5. Freelancers are feeling this pressure even more as businesses turn to AI subscriptions instead of monthly retainers. Junior software developers and QA testers are also being affected. AI coding assistants can now write boilerplate code, debug errors, generate tests, and even refactor entire code bases. This doesn't mean senior engineers are disappearing, but it does mean companies need fewer entry-level developers. As a result, tech hiring in the US has slowed dramatically at the junior level, making it harder for new graduates to break into the industry. In finance and accounting, routine tasks like bookkeeping, expense categorization, payroll processing, and basic audits are now AI-driven. Small and mid-sized American firms are replacing accounting staff with AI-powered finance platforms overseen by a single professional. Even investment research roles are being compressed, as AI can analyze earnings reports, market trends, and risk factors faster than human analysts. Human resources, HR, is another area undergoing silent transformation. Resume screening, candidate ranking, interview scheduling, and even performance reviews are increasingly automated. AI systems can scan thousands of resumes in seconds, eliminating the need for large recruiting teams. Many HR professionals now manage AI tools instead of people. Perhaps the most surprising impact is in legal and compliance work. AI tools can review contracts, flag risks, summarize case law, and draft legal documents. While senior lawyers are still essential, paralegal and junior legal roles are shrinking rapidly across the US. What makes this shift especially dangerous is its invisibility. Unlike factory closures, AI job replacement doesn't make headlines. Companies describe it as efficiency, digital transformation, or cost optimization. The work still gets done, but by algorithms. However, this isn't the end of white-collar work. It's a redefinition. Jobs that involve creativity, strategic thinking, emotional intelligence, leadership, and AI oversight are growing. The safest professionals are those who use AI as a tool, not those who compete with it. The key lesson for the American workforce is clear. AI isn't taking jobs overnight, but it is slowly removing the need for traditional roles. Those who adapt, upskill, and learn to work alongside AI will thrive. Those who ignore it may find their job quietly gone before they even realize it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.